Hey guys, today we're launching a limited run of our regular tire bag. It's going to start on the 15th, that's today, run orders through next week, that's the 22nd, and these will start shipping on March 7th. So this is the regular tire bag. It is obviously the smaller version as opposed to the XL, but it still has a lot of capacity. Pop this open, and you can get lots of trash in there, like a kitchen bag, something like that, or you can carry other stuff. We've had customers that have used it for camp stoves. You get some firewood, some tools, whatever you need to keep in there that you don't want in your rig. It mounts to your tire really easily. We have two different sizes of straps. One essentially fit 33-ish down, or the 34 to 37 range. Those go on really easily, kind of a quick figure 8, and then you can clip on and off. 2 carabiners here, 2 grim locks. So start by clipping up top here. And then you've got your grim lock down here that goes through, push button, nice and secure. All clipped in and you're ready to go.